I received a question on one of my earlier videos today asking if I knew how to add sticker packs and text animations in InShot. So let's get into it. For the purposes of this video, I'm assuming that you're using the regular version of InShot. Open InShot and tap the Materials button at the bottom of the main screen. This is the store where you can purchase sticker packs, filter packs, or extra fonts. If a font, sticker pack, or filter pack says free in the bottom right hand corner, you can tap on it and you'll have to watch a video that lasts for 30 seconds to download that sticker pack, filter pack, or font. Wait for the ad to load. Once the ad loads, you'll see a 30-second countdown in the upper right-hand corner of the ad. You must watch the ad for 30 seconds in order to get the sticker pack, filter pack, or font. Once the 30 seconds has expired, you can close the ad. Click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the ad to close it. The Christmas sticker pack has now been installed. You can see that it has a green check mark. That means you can use it. I'll show you where to find it later. To download just sticker packs, tap on the smiley face at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and find a sticker pack that says free and tap on it. Again, you'll have to watch this 30-second ad. Once the 30-second countdown in the upper right corner finishes, you can click on the X to close the ad, and you will have whatever item you tapped on. Some of the sticker packs, such as the Merry Christmas and Happy New Year pack shown on screen now, have a dollar amount in the bottom right hand corner. That one costs $1.39. To download fonts, tap on the T on the bottom of the screen, and you will see all of the available fonts. Choose a font, such as Quicksand, and tap the free button. You'll have to watch a 30-second ad. Once the 30-second countdown finishes, you can close the ad and you will have the font. All of the fonts are free. If you'd like to download a lot of extra sticker packs, filter packs, or fonts, I would recommend upgrading to the Pro version. You can see that Quicksand has a check mark beside it, meaning that it has been installed because I watched the ad. Let's load in a photo, and I'll show you where to find your downloaded items. This is a photo of me. First, tap on the sticker packs. Any new sticker pack you download will appear next to the emoji icon. Here's the first Christmas sticker pack. Next, tap on the text icon, tap the A, and you see Quicksand appears at the top of this list. As for animating text, this feature is so new that it is not yet possible to purchase or download text animations from the InShot store. If you tap the animation icon, you can see that only the basic animation transitions are available. If you want to gain access to everything available inside InShot, or remove the ads, I recommend upgrading to the Pro version. And you'll be able to download every sticker pack, filter pack, and font available. The watermark and all the ads will be removed permanently. I hope this video is helpful and answers your question. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Feel free to check out some of my other videos suggested on screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.